continues.
Dr. Valerie Kiper has had a long career in nursing, and she's been instrumental in many advances in the profession right here in the Panhandle. She shifted into an even higher gear after a recent ALS diagnosis and is determined to live alongside the terminal disease. Our own Jackie Kingston has her story.
Although Valerie Kiper received her doctorate from Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center a decade ago, she's a nurse first, always caring for her loved ones, and as a healthcare professional for more than 43 years. After graduating from nursing school, she started her career in a local hospital and is still proud of her lasting contributions.
Some of the highlights of my career began even as a new nurse when I became one of the original members of the dedicated neonatal transport team at Northwest Texas Hospital. I eventually rose to become the nurse manager for the neonatal ICU. During my tenure in that role, I was instrumental in pioneering several clinical practice innovations that laid the foundation in the Texas Panhandle that neonatal care continues to build on today.
In 2016, she founded the Panhandle Great 25 Nurses, a collaboration between Panhandle healthcare facilities, nursing organizations, local nursing schools, and school districts. The Panhandle Great 25 Nurses raises awareness of the contributions of the more than 4,000 nurses practicing in the Panhandle.
To date, we have recognized 150 professional nurses and provided $75,000 in scholarships. As a result of our success, other areas in Texas have replicated a similar event using the Panhandle Great 25 as a model.
Dr. Kiper was named the first regional dean for the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center School of Nursing in Amarillo in 2021.
I would say out of all of my career achievements, I think being in academia is one of the most impactful roles I will have ever had.
She's doing what she can to educate more nurses to help with the nursing shortage. Thousands of nursing positions are open across the state, according to the most recent Texas Health and Human Services report. But she recognizes that she can't do it alone.
As far as goals for the School of Nursing, the first and foremost goal is to produce graduates that will provide the highest quality care they can to the patients they serve. Secondly, it is to grow the numbers of pre-licensure graduates to help alleviate the significant nursing shortage. However, to achieve this, all nursing programs must work collaboratively together.
Dr. Kiper's passion for alleviating the nursing shortage is something Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center has been able to support, providing scholarship money through their annual fundraiser, The Power of the Purse.
And so because of proceeds that we came along with after Power of the Purse, we were able to give her a substantial award to get that scholarship program started. And we've been at work trying to get some matching funds so that she can help not only get people to the School of Nursing, but retain them. Hopefully in the long run, get them to stay in Amarillo or in the Panhandle area. And that's part of her goal, and I'm just along for the ride.
Time is not on my side.
Dr. Kiper was diagnosed with ALS in 2020. The terminal disease has taken her ability to speak, but thanks to communication technology, she's still able to communicate using her own voice.
I worked with a contact from Bridging Voices to recreate my old voice. The representative from Bridging Voices, who Team Gleason uses to help with voice banking, tirelessly with me to find old voice footage from voicemails, presentations, and videos.
I don't think anything gets in her way. On the outside, I know she's dealing with an adversity that most of us don't understand, but you would never know it in her everyday operations or in her everyday relationships. The rest of us are just enjoying her just as much as we ever have, and hope to for a very, very long time.
Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice, because the flow that has passed will never pass again. So enjoy every moment of your life and don't ever waste an opportunity to make a difference.
And Dr. Kiper was also honored by TTU HSC with the 2021-2022 Distinguished Alumni Award, the highest honor bestowed by the university. And Dr. Kiper's story continues on myhighplains.com. The time